Choosing an engagement ring is already a meaningful step. Then comes the question almost everyone gets stuck on: white gold or platinum? At first, they look almost the same. Both are clean, modern, and beautiful with diamonds. But once you start visiting jewelry stores or searching jewelry near me, you realize the differences are not just about looks. They show up in price, maintenance, and how the ring holds up over time. This guide breaks it down in a way that actually helps you decide without overcomplicating things. Why this choice matters more than you think. An engagement ring is not something you wear once in a while. It is part of your everyday life. That means the metal you choose affects how it looks, months and years later, how often you need maintenance, how comfortable it feels, how much you spend long term. A lot of people walk into jewelry stores in Arcadia, assuming white gold and platinum are interchangeable. They are not. The differences become more noticeable the longer you wear the ring. What white gold really is: white gold starts as yellow gold. It is mixed with other metals to lighten the color, then coated with rhodium to give it that bright white finish you see in stores. When you are browsing jewelry in Arcadia, most white gold rings look shiny and crisp because of that outer layer. Why people choose white gold: lower upfront cost, lightweight, and comfortable. Looks very similar to platinum when new. What to expect over time: the rhodium coating wears off gradually. The ring may start to show a warmer tone. It needs replating to maintain that bright white look. This is why many people end up searching for jewelry repair around me after owning white gold for a while. Replating is just part of the upkeep. What makes platinum different? Platinum is naturally white. It does not rely on any coating to achieve its color. What you see is the actual metal. When you try on rings at different jewelry stores, platinum will usually feel heavier. That is because it is denser than gold. Why people choose platinum: naturally white with no fading, very durable for everyday wear, hypoallergenic for sensitive skin, develops a softer, elegant finish over time. What to expect: higher upfront cost, heavier feel on the finger, surface scratches may appear, but the metal does not wear away. If you want to refresh the finish, a quick visit to an Arcadia jewelry repair shop can bring back its shine. The real differences you will notice when comparing rings at jewelry stores in Arcadia. Here is what actually matters in real life. Price: white gold is more budget-friendly. Platinum costs more because it is rarer and heavier. If you are trying to balance your budget with the size or quality of the diamond, white gold gives you more flexibility. Maintenance: white gold requires maintenance to keep its bright appearance. That usually means occasional rhodium replating. Platinum does not need replating. It naturally develops a softer finish. If you prefer something low maintenance, platinum is the easier option. If you do not mind visiting a jewelry repair around me service once in a while, white gold works well. Durability: platinum is extremely durable. When it scratches, the metal shifts rather than wearing away. White gold is still strong, but over time small amounts of metal can wear down with daily use. Appearance over time: white gold starts bright and polished but needs upkeep to stay that way. Platinum starts with a softer shine and develops a more natural look over time. If you are visiting the nearest jewelry store, ask to see pieces that have been worn. That comparison helps you understand the long-term difference. Which one is right for you? There is no universal answer. It depends on your lifestyle and priorities. White gold might be better if you want a lower upfront cost, you prefer a bright, polished finish, you are okay with occasional maintenance. Platinum might be better if you want something low maintenance, you value long-term durability, you prefer a natural finish that evolves over time. People often search jewelry near me, thinking platinum is always the better option. It really comes down to what works best for you. A common mistake to avoid: one of the biggest mistakes is focusing only on how the ring looks in the moment. When you walk into jewelry stores, everything looks perfect under bright lighting. What matters more is how the ring will look and feel after months of daily wear. Take your time. Compare both metals. Ask questions. Visiting jewelry stores in Arcadia can help you see these differences more clearly in person. Why where you buy matters. Not all jewelry stores take the time to explain these details clearly. When you are choosing between white gold and platinum, it helps to visit a place where you can try both metals on, see how they look in natural lighting, understand how they wear over time. Exploring jewelry in Arcadia and visiting multiple jewelry stores in Arcadia gives you a better sense of quality and craftsmanship. It is worth seeing things in person instead of relying only on photos. Long-term care and maintenance. No matter which metal you choose, maintenance is part of owning fine jewelry. White gold will need rhodium replating, polishing to maintain its look. Platinum will need occasional polishing, routine inspections to keep everything secure. Having a trusted Arcadia jewelry repair service makes this simple. Whether it is resizing, polishing, or tightening stones, a reliable Arcadia jewelry repair shop helps keep your ring in great condition. If you ever find yourself searching for jewelry repair around me, it is better to go to someone you trust rather than choose randomly. The decision comes down to lifestyle. Both white gold and platinum can look equally beautiful. The right choice depends on how you plan to wear your ring and how much maintenance you are comfortable with. If you want something that requires less upkeep, platinum is a strong option. If you want something more budget-friendly that still looks great, white gold is a solid choice. You are not choosing right or wrong. You are choosing what fits your life. Where to buy with confidence. If you are ready to move forward, the jeweler you choose matters just as much as the metal itself. For anyone searching for jewelry near me or exploring jewelry stores in Arcadia, Dorano Jewelry stands out for its quality and personalized approach. We take the time to walk you through the differences between white gold and platinum so you can make a confident decision. Whether you are looking at engagement rings, browsing jewelry in Arcadia, or need ongoing support from a trusted Arcadia jewelry repair shop, we offer a full-service experience. From custom designs to reliable jewelry repair around me services, we help you not just buy a ring but take care of it long-term. Instead of jumping between random jewelry stores or settling for the nearest jewelry option, working with a team that understands both craftsmanship and service makes the process much smoother. If you are looking for a ring you will love wearing every day, Dorano Jewelry is a great place to start.